Hello everyone, my name is Imran Ali here, and today I'm going to tell you about how to use automate approval process in Jotform. So as you can see, we are in jotform.com and this is the interface you can see. Right now we are going towards here because we need to sign up first, and I'm going with the sign up with Google because I have connected my all password with my Google ID. So I'm going to connect with this. So once you are in, you can see this is the Jotform menu, and on the left side, this is the forms and favorite archive. This is all of the necessary programs which you can usually use in different platforms too. And obviously, you can favorite it, you can archive, you can delete it. Delete items will be here, and you can create new folders for organization of all the forms and approvals you are going to do. So right now what we are going to do, we are going towards here and we are going at approvals. So once you are here, you can see this is the approvals area and we don't have any approval yet. So we are going to create it. So just click on create and you can see there are three options over here which you can create an approval follow, like you can see here. And there are three options over here: start from scratch, one step approval, use template. So what we are going to do, we are not going to use these two because I don't need it. I'm going to use a template. As you can see, this is the template for approval, and there's a lot of options over here you can choose, or otherwise you can go here in the categories and you can choose whatever you want. And if you want all of them here, so just click on all categories and all the categories are available here. Let's see here, this is the filter and sort. You can also search from recent, you can also search from popular, or you can just search approval templates name, so you can get to that right away. So what we are going to do now, we are going to choose this first one, and you can also preview it from here. You can see how the approval flow would look like and what is the request for leave a form will look like. So this is the form, this is the approval. You'll know what I mean when I'll go in. So I'm going to use template from here. So once you are here, you can see this is the template we have, and there's a lot of things going on here which I will tell you in a bit. So let's go with this one, and what are we going to do, that we are going to click on it and just delete it. Why? Because I'm going to add new element over. How do I add element over here? Like, just click on this element menu and you can see there are multiple elements over here. So what we are going to do, we are going to click over here where you want to put the element, and I want to give an approval element over here. So here it is. This is my email over here. As you can see, if someone submit a leave request form, it will go towards my email and it will leave a form which I have showed you, and you can see a form from here too. If you want, you can see the form here. So this form will come towards my email, and what will happen, if I approve, this will go here. If I deny, it will go here. So let's just delete this. Just click on it and click on delete. We don't need it as well. So we have deleted all of them, and now we are going to connect this to this one. On the left side, we are going to give a name. It's approval, because if someone from here is going to approve, it's going this way, otherwise it will go this way. So again, just click on it, drag, and here select deny. And if you want to change an email, if you want, just click on it, go to settings, and you can change an email from here. We can name anything over here if you want, otherwise let it be. So this is the email. So now we are going to the left side, the approval side. Let's finish the approval side, then we will go towards the deny side. So I'm going to delete this one, and I'm going to add another element over here which also approval, because we are talking about approval, and this one will lead to another person who is going to approve it or not. So we can also add email and everything else, like you can just assign, reassign, and there's a lot of options over here. You can go in advance, and this is just extra options they are giving you. Otherwise, this is enough. After this, we want, if someone from here will approve, it will go towards email which you have created for the employee who wants the leave request. So how we are going to do this? We are going to delete this one, this line, because we need to connect this. So we're just going to grab it and we are going over here. We're going to write approval. What will happen now? We are going to delete this one and we are going to add one more element, which is email. This email have already made up email for approval. As you can see, if we can go here and we can check it out, you can add details over here and just save it. So if someone approves it, this email will be given to the employee who wants a leave request. So right now we are going to delete this one, because we don't need any connection over here, and delete this one. What we are going to do, we are going to add an and over here, like we are just going to put this here, and this one will lead to the end. Let's delete this one because we don't need it. So what will happen here, if this guy approves, this will lead to this one, and if this guy approves, this will lead to this email, which will transfer to this person who wants a leave request. Now on the right side, we are going to just delete this all. We don't need all of this, and we are going to delete. Just press delete on your keyboard and it will delete. And we are going to add an email, because obviously if this guy disapproves, so this will also give an email to the employee who wants to leave. So we are going to add an email. This one also have pre-made email over here. As you can see, you can just press on this and this will show you pre-made email. And if this guy disapproves, we can just connect this one to this email, and this email will be end. So what is going on, we have made an automate for approval. Like, an employee wants a leave request and he submit it. This guy approves it and it will go towards this guy, and after that this guy approves it, this will go towards the email area, and this email will go to this employee, and it will be end of this approval section. Same goes with the denial. This is how you can make your automation for approval, and you can check on settings if you want this to disable or enable. You can change the title also, and just press on publish. Right from here you can see that we have a link of the leave request approval, and you can also open it if you want from here. Let's try to open it. Once you are here, you can just add your details over here and just request. Let's just suppose I am an employee and I have submitted a request. So what we are going to do now, we are going towards inbox, and you can see I have received a submission for the leave request, and you can add comments and approve it. So this is all about leave request, and you can make a lot of automate approval process through Jotform. I hope you understand what I have done, and thank you for watching.